Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today I am going to talk about how to score very good marks in internal assessment, what we call IA. In the earlier videos, I have explained very well about how to write theory paper and how to score good marks in theory paper, especially 80 pattern. So as you all know, at present, all Karnataka State Law University under affiliated colleges are following 80 by 20 method. 80 will be the theory paper and 20 marks will be the IA, what you call internal assessment. So 20, in this video, I'm going to talk specifically about internal assessment, how to score very good marks in internal assessment. In internal assessment, there will be many things we need to, the college will follow. Like we need to submit our assignments, we need to write internal test conducted by the colleges, and we need to attend vivaos will be conducted by the colleges, respective colleges. Apart from that, the college will be count your behavioral aspects and your punctuality, all things, your time management, everything will be counted in the internal assessments. Many of the students are neglecting. College will give, if we not putting efforts also college will give, they think it. Please remove that concept in your mind, because I have seen many of the students single point they have missed outstanding grade, single point they have missed excellent grade, single point they have missed very good grade, single point they have missed good grade. So these are all the things we should not neglect even single mark. In internal, we can score very good marks like 18, 19 we can score. How to score? How to write your assignments and how to write your test conducted by the colleges. That is very important. I'm going to talk about in this video specifically how to score very good marks in internal assessment. First point is assignment. How to write assignment, that is also very important. Many of the students are not knowing how to write the assignments. Anyhow, the college lecturers will be given guidance to you how to write your assignments as per the university rules. You can also follow that. Some of the students are not knowing, for them it will be very useful how to write it. First of all, assignment will carry half of the marks of your internal assessment. So what you have to do is, at least any kind of assignment, you have to write minimum 15 to 20 pages you have to write. What are all the contents to be covered? I'm going to explain. First of all, we have to write introduction. Introduction is very important for any kind of assignment. Then second point is meaning and definition. You can write definitions, 3 to 4 definition you can write it, and meaning also you can elaborate in the particular in assignment. Then after we have to write nature and scope. What is the nature of that assignment topic and scope of that particular subject. Then next we have to write elaborate key point. There will be many key points. We have to explain each and every key points. Then after we have to write case laws, at least minimum 4 to 5 case laws we have to write. for that particular topic. Then after we have to write 3 to 4 illustrations, relevant illustration we have to write it. Then after we have to write proper conclusion. Conclusion we have to write, proper conclusion we have to write. Then after we have to write footnotes. Then after we have to write bibliography. Then we have to write reference books. So these are all topics we have to cover, minimum 15 to 20 pages A4 size sheets. Some of the college will be given booklets. For from that booklets also we can write it. If they don't give any booklet from your colleges, respective colleges, you can use A4 size sheet and please make it border, and you can use, like, make underlines in sketch pen. Attractive should be there. We should not neglect even internal assessment. We can score. As I told you, many of the students, they have lost marks. Even rank students also, they have lost marks in internal assessment. So that is my this is my advice. You should not neglect for internal assessment. You can score very easily more than 15. You can score from the college. For 20 marks, you can score more than 15 if you would like to follow these guidelines. And I will tell always our students, Guru Brahma, Gurudevu Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Guru. We have to respect the gurus, means lecturers, professor. We have to respect. As per my knowledge, there is no bad lecturers. All are very good. How we treat them, that is very, very important. We have to always obey their instructions. We have to obey their whatever they follow procedures. We have to respect our lecturers. If you treat politely to them, they can give advice very good. So we have to always, Guru is a great person. We should respect any kind of lecturers, professors. We have to give respect. Students, we are students. We have to respect them. Then only we can get the good atmosphere at the colleges. So my advices, please be polite to your lecturers. Be write your assignments as per their instructions. Be write confidently your internal assessment test, and be confidently speak whenever viva conducted by the colleges. So if you follow these tips, you can score very good marks in internal assessment. Please don't neglect my sincere advice to all our students. Please don't neglect your internal assessment score. Your internal assessment score will be value added to your mark sheet. So there will be a clinical courses, there will be internal test will be conducted by the colleges. You can score very good marks. You can carry very good marks in LLB, whether it could be 3 years LLB, whether it could be 5 years LLB. You can score very good marks in internal assessment. Please don't neglect, and please do give respect to the lecturers. If you give respect, obviously you will grow like anything. You will get discipline, you will get time management, you will get everything if you pray your lecturers, if you treat good your lecturers. So don't think that lecturers are, like, any useless or something like that. They are very useful. Lecturers are God. You have to treat them very good, respectfully. good manner so that your life will be very good in your college life. I hope my videos are very helpful. You can score very good marks if you watch my videos, if you follow my tips. Very essential nowadays. Nowhere can teach these kind of tips. I'm specifically talking about Karnataka State Law University, Hubli, 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB students. I would like to thank who have been subscribed my YouTube channel and who have been seen my videos and who have been shared my videos. I'm very thankful to all. Once again, I would like to tell that please do subscribe my channel Anil Kumar KT, LLB coach and motivational speaker, so that I will give best of best video like this. This I hope this video has given a clarity on about your internal assessments, how to write your assignments, and how to write your internal test. Internal test will be uh, depending upon the colleges they will be conducting. I cannot tell how many marks they're going to give, especially like maybe they give 7 marks, they may give 3 marks, they may give five marks. You cannot say depending upon the college level they used to give. So I hope this video has given a knowledge on your internal assessments. Thank you.